Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you these 3 stitches. This is chain stitch, this is heavy chain stitch, and this is cable chain stitch. These stitches are types of chain stitches. This is chain stitch simple. So how to work on this chain stitch? For that, let's work on a line. First, bring your needle from back of the fabric, from the bottom of the line, and just beside the point you brought the needle up, just put the needle back to the point, just nearer, not the same point but very closer to it, and take a stitch from the back side. Then take this thread behind the needle like this to form a loop, and bring your working thread upon that thread. This will form a loop. Now again nearer to this point, take a stitch behind from the fabric, put the thread behind the needle, and bring your working thread upon that thread and form a loop. Same way you have to continue every time. This forms the chain stitch. Now when you want to end the stitch, just take a stitch here like this. So this was chain stitch. Now we will see how to work on this heavy chain stitch. For heavy chain stitch, we will start from the point we ended on this chain stitch. The way we took the last stitch, that will be our first stitch we are going to take for the heavy chain stitch. Like this. First, just take a stitch like this. Now, from here you have to remember the sequence of the stitches to take the next stitch. So now, from this point, just bring the needle up, leaving a distance forward, and pass your needle from this stitch and go back to the same point where you had brought your needle up. So it will form a loop like this as the chain stitch. Okay, now this is my first stitch. I am going to take now second stitch. So again bring your needle, leaving a distance up, and now again pass from the same starting stitch. Pass your needle from the same starting stitch like this. This will form the second loop. what you have to do, you have to skip the second stitch. This was the first, this is the second stitch. Skip the second stitch and pass your needle from the first stitch. So the sequence goes like, when you are taking the third stitch, you have to pass the needle from the first stitch. When you are taking the fourth stitch, you have to pass the needle from the second stitch. So like this. For this you need to remember the sequence. So now look, this was the first, second and third. I am working on the fourth stitch, so I will pass the needle from this second stitch. So this will form my heavy chain stitch. So every time you have to skip the previous one and pass the needle from the next stitch, like this. So this is my fifth stitch, so I will pass the needle from the third stitch. Likewise, continue till the end. So now when you want to end your stitch, you need to simply end on the same point and fix it with the knot at the back side. So this was heavy chain stitch. Now let's move to the cable chain stitch. This is a cable chain stitch. This is same as a chain stitch, but it has one twisted stitch between each loop. It is very easy, just as a chain stitch. You need to take one twisted stitch between two loops. So let's see how to work on it. First, bring the needle up here. Take a loop as we take in the chain stitch, like this. Now for the next stitch, first you need to twist your needle with the thread like this. Just roll over the thread with the needle and give a distance and put your needle back to the fabric, and again bring your needle with after a distance like this, taking a stitch from the back side. Once again I will show. Just roll the thread like this to the needle. Put the needle up, giving a space, giving a distance, and from back side take one stitch, and now just take the thread behind the needle like this. So it forms the cable stitch. So like this. taking the last stitch, you just need to end as we ended in the chain stitch. Just take one small stitch and fix it with the knot at back side. So this was cable chain stitch. So if you like my video, please do like my video and please do share to lots of people, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.